Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Beauty is Joy Forever. In this captivating video that can delve into the world of long layered haircut styles. Dear viewers, if you are in search of hairstyle that bring dimension, movement and versatility to your looks, then you are in for a treat. Join me as we explore the allure of long layered haircut and how they can transform your entire look. So dear viewers, grab your popcorn, sit back and get ready to be captivated by the world of long layered haircut designs. Let the journey begin and may you find inspirations to embrace your unique beauty through the power of layers. So don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video. Subscribe my channel with your friends who are also passionate about hair and beauty. Dear viewers, as this video reaches its crescendo, we will wrap up by showcasing a dazzling montage of the various long layered haircuts, each highlighting the transformative power of these styles. From classic and chic to edgy and modern, these cuts exemplify the artistry of the hair dressing and the beauty it can unleash. So dear viewers, this video, but that is not at all. We will touch upon the historical significance of the layered haircut, exploring how they have evolved over the year and remained a timeless trend. So dear viewers, in this video you can see all the beautiful and very eye-catching hair designs, haircut styles, showcasing their mystery and attentions to detail. You will witness the magic of scissors deftly gliding through the hair, creating seamless layers that enhance facial features and add the volume. As we progress through the video, I will discuss various types of long layered haircuts that suit the different face shapes and hair textures. Whether you have straight, wavy or curly hair, there is a long layered hairstyles that will complement your unique beauty and your personality. So thanks for watching.